2020 has been an interesting year for most of us, but we have travelled down to Meddings Group in Devon to find out why they believe investing now is a way to keep them a cut above the rest. So Mark, Meddings Group in Devon have invested so much money in people, in machines and the facility. Has it been difficult for you over the past few months?
Actually, it hasn't really been that difficult, Lyndsey. We sort of took the decision that about 2 months ago that this was an opportunity for us now to actually stand back, have a look at where we are and where do we want to be, particularly with Meddings Engineering. But it then also brought in a whole array of other areas for us in the group. So it was pretty much a decision with myself and the chairman that we've got to move forward. We've got an opportunity now. Let's invest. Point one was we need to invest in the resource, make sure we've got the right resource and we've got the right machinery. So XYZ obviously helped us out there. A team that we got around that worked really, really well. And as you can see, we have a shiny new floor. So we've really looked at bringing the whole thing up together and we're now in a position where we can go forward.
What's your aim then? Because the type of work that you're looking for has diversified and changed. So where are you looking here?
Well, we're really looking, particularly with the engineering side now, for the high quality precision machining, whether it's turning or milling. We're looking now at what can we bring to the market for the customer, and we're hoping that we can bring high quality, delivered on time, and to the actual specifications that they want.
Some of your work you're bringing back in-house, aren't you? And you're taking some work that was previously from China back here?
Yeah, that's correct. So we originally had a number of components and castings that we actually had from China, but we've taken the decision, particularly over the COVID now, to be looking at we want to be self-sustaining, we want to be a full UK manufacturer. We have the capability here to manufacture in-house, and also from a supply chain network, we only want to deal with UK supply chain.
So what are your beliefs on investment? Because I know you've done it during a tricky time, but you kind of see that as quite a positive thing for the company.
Absolutely. I mean, the investment side is a positive. It means, from the point of view of not just myself and the company, but obviously everybody who works here, it's showing that that we are looking to move forward. We're dedicated in what we do. We have a strategy. We want to be the best we possibly can. And therefore, that means we need to invest in whatever shape that means.